What if I told you that the single biggest financial assumption you've built your entire life around is a lie? Not a small lie, the lie. The one that has you setting an alarm clock you hate for a job you tolerate for 40 years because somewhere along the way, somebody convinced you that this is just what adults do. You work until you're 65, you hope there's something left, and you call it retirement. I want to challenge that today, and I'm going to do it with math, not motivation, because here's what I've come to believe after years of doing this. You were never meant to work a 9-to-5 as a mandated requirement of your existence. Your job was always supposed to be an option. Somewhere it became an obligation, and today I'm going to show you with real numbers how to turn it back into an option in 3 to 5 years instead of 30 or 40. Now, let me be clear about who I am and what this channel is, in case this is your first time here. I'm CJ Wallace, and this is the Velocity channel, and the rule here is simple. Numbers do not lie. So I'm not going to hype you. I'm going to show you. And the first thing I have to show you is the trap, because you cannot escape a trap you can't see. Here's the trap. Most people are running one financial strategy at a time. When they're in debt, every dollar goes to debt. The gurus tell them get intense, cut up your cards, eat rice and beans, throw everything at the debt, and then, only then, years later, once you're finally debt free, then you can start thinking about building wealth. You do one thing, then the other thing, debt first, wealth later. And that sounds responsible, does it not? It sounds disciplined. It also is the single biggest reason people work until they're old. Because doing them one at a time is the slow road. It is 2 separate 20-year projects stacked back to back. Pay off the house by 60. Build the nest egg by, well, hopefully before you die. And here's the false choice underneath it. The thing nobody names out loud. They tell you that you have to choose. Either you attack your debt or you build your wealth. You can't do both, they say, because you only have so many dollars. So pick one. And beloved, look, that right there is the lie that costs you your best years, because the wealthy, the people who actually get free, they never accepted that choice. They do both at the same time. They eliminate debt and build passive income simultaneously with the same dollars moving in a smarter pattern. And when you stop doing these things one after the other and start doing them together, the timeline does not shrink a little, it collapses. 40 years becomes a handful. Now, I want to talk to you about your job for a minute, because this is the part that matters more than the math. And I need you to really hear it before I show you a single number. You've been taught that having a job is the responsible thing, the moral thing, and look, work is good. I'm not anti-work, hear me clearly. I am anti-obligation. There's a difference between a man who goes to work because he chooses to, because he loves it, because it has a meaning, and a man who goes to work because if he stops, everything collapses in 30 days. The first man is free. The second man is owned. Same desk, same job, completely different human being. One of them has options. The other one has a leash with a nice lanyard on it. And the entire system, the banks, the lenders, the culture is built to keep you in that second category. Because a person who has to work is a person who will keep borrowing, keep paying interest, keep feeding the machine. Your obligation is their business model. So the goal of everything I'm about to show you is not to make you quit your job. Some of you love your work and you should keep doing it. The goal is to move you from the second category to the first, from having to getting to, from obligation to option. And the way you do that is you build enough passive income that your survival no longer depends on your paycheck. The day your passive income can cover your needs, your job becomes a choice. That's the whole game. That is what freedom actually is. It's not a number in a retirement account you can't touch until you're old. It is the day the leash comes off. And for most people, that day is 3 to 5 years away, not 40, if they would just stop running one strategy at a time. All right, I made you wait long enough. Let's go to the math, because this is the Velocity channel and we don't deal in feelings, we deal in numbers. Let's give you a real household right down. $7,000 a month take home, $5,500 a month in living expenses. That leaves $1,500 a month in free cash flow. Hold on. Don't you dare go away just because the cash flow isn't as big as yours. Okay? Stay away from just the numbers. Let's get to the principle. Let's load them up with debt, real debt, the kind most who are carrying. $15,000 in credit cards at 22%, $18,000 on a card at 7%, $22,000 in student loans at 6%, $55,000 in total consumer debt, with $950 a month just going to the minimum payments. Does that sound familiar? This is most of America. So watch what we do with it. Phase one, we eliminate the debt using velocity, attacking it in the order that it frees up our cash flow the fastest. Smallest cash flow index first, so each debt we kill hands its old payment to the next attack. We're not adding money, we're moving the same money smarter. And when I ran this simulation, that $55,000 in debt is gone in about 27 months. Call it just over 2 years. Now, stop and notice what just happened to our monthly cash flow. We freed up the $1,500 we already had, plus the $950 that used to go to minimum payments. That is $2,450 a month, now liberated every single month, with the same income we always had. We didn't get a raise, we got free. Now, most people stop right there, debt-free, feeling good, and they coast. And that's a mistake, because phase one was just clearing the runway. Phase two is the takeoff. This is where the income snowball comes in. And I want to credit where this comes from, the work of Tanisha Souza at Tartarus Wealth Strategies. Okay, I'm not going to teach you something and pretend I invented it. Here's the mechanics, simplified. You use a measured amount of leverage to buy short-term income-producing assets, what they call fast-burning fuel, investments that pay you back principal and interest over a short window. That income, plus your freed up cash flow, gets stacked and used to buy the next one and the next one. Each one a little cheaper than the last, because the income from the earlier investments is now helping buy the new ones. That's the snowball. It is the exact same rolling principle that killed your debt, just pointed in the opposite direction. Instead of rolling payments to destroy debt, you are rolling income to build freedom. Now, here's where I'm going to be more honest with you than most channels will be, because honesty is the only thing I have got that is worth anything. When I run the conservative numbers, assuming a modest $300 a month in lasting passive income for every $10,000 you put to work, here's what comes out. If your goal is to replace 100% of your expenses, all $5,500 a month, so you never have to earn another dime, that takes our household about 3.5 more years on top of the 2 for the debt. So call the full number closer to 5, almost 6 years for total, complete, never work again freedom at an average income. I'm not going to stand here and tell you 3 to 5 years to never work again, because at an average income, the math says closer to 6. But, and this is the whole point of today, watch what happens when we go back to the real goal. The real goal was never to work again, right? The real goal was to make work optional, to get your passive income high enough that your job stops being a survival requirement. And to do that, you don't need to replace every dollar. You need to replace enough that the leash comes off. When I run the math for replacing enough of your expenses to make your job genuinely optional, that household crosses the line in about 4.5 years total, both phases combined. And if you earn a little more, or your expenses are a little leaner, or you carry less debt to start, it drops into the 3s. 3 to 5 years to make your job an option instead of a mandate. That's the real defensible math-backed promise, not a fantasy, a plan. Let me say that timeline again so it lands, because I want you comparing it to the alternative. The traditional path puts your mortgage payoff at 30 years and your retirement somewhere around 65. That's 20, 30, 40 years of obligation. The dual strategy, run honestly, puts your job in the optional column in 3 to 5 years if your goal is freedom of choice, and somewhere around 5 to 6 if your goal is total income replacement. Either one of those numbers should make you angry about how long you've been told to wait. Now, the rules of engagement, because I would be doing you harm if I sent you off without these. Phase 1, the debt elimination. Before you deploy this, well, go ahead and click the link in the description below, okay? You have to confirm what kind of loans you actually have. You need to know whether your debt is simple interest or pre-computed, because that changes everything about how the strategy works. Don't skip that step. Phase 2, the investing side. I have to be straight with you. That phase involves real risk. You are using leverage to invest, and leverage cuts both ways. The $300 per 10,000 I use is a conservative illustration, not a guarantee. Investments vary, markets vary, and anyone who promises you a fixed return is the one you should run from. This is exactly why this phase is not a do-it-yourself off a YouTube video kind of thing. It is a do it with a wealth coach who maps it to your actual numbers kind of thing. And that's your action step today, all right? If you're sitting there thinking, okay, I want to see what this looks like for my income, my debt, my expenses, my timeline, then do not guess at it and don't try to freelance it. I've set up a way for you to sit down with one of our coaches and map your actual debt-free date and your actual work optional date with your real numbers, not my example household. The link is in the description, all right? And that conversation is where the example I just showed you becomes your personal and customized plan. Why? Because here's what I want you to walk away believing. Here it is. And it's true, and the math backs it. You were never meant to spend the best 40 years of your life trading them for a paycheck you can't stop earning. The job was supposed to be the option. The freedom was supposed to be the default. Somewhere it got flipped. Today is the day you start flipping it back. Deploy your soldiers called money. Put your money to work in 2 directions at once. And in a few short years, you walk into that job because you choose to, not because you have to. If you see a video on here, that means you need to watch it. God bless you, and we'll see you in the next video.